Siemens network updated its mobile broadband study that shows that by 2015, mobile subscribers of 3G and 4G will reach 100 million users. I'm here with the responsible for this study, Wilson Cardoso, who is also the head of technology for Latin America. Hello, Wilson. What points could you point out that Brazil is going to address this growth?
Okay, it's a great question. We combined for this study not only the growth of 3G subscribers, but increasing the GDP, how the economy is growing, the needs from the subscribers, and also take in consideration some points like the very low density that we have today in Brazil for fixed broadband. If you compare the density from Brazil with USA or other developed countries, we see a big density in the fixed broadband that we don't have here in the country. Then what happens? People start to use 3G to cover his or her needs about the connection to internet, YouTube, social networks, and also we see the need for LTE to cover the rest of the growth that we predict for 2012 onwards.
And here in the study that say that the growth of the traffic is in a rate about 80 to 90%. Do you think it's going to increase? Do you think that in the few years are going to maintain this growth?
We believe that will increase because if you see people using more video today, and also the prices for the connections are dropping, then you see the combination from the need, as again, we don't have fixed networks, and people start to use dongles to access the internet, connect to computers. We have a big tablet inclusion in Brazil now. There is a law reducing the price from the tablets, and also we see tablets being more and more connected.
What are estimated in these studies at what could you predict to 2015?
In total bandwidth needed or total spectrum needed, sorry?
The both, if
the
you
both,
could
okay.
Say.
We estimate for each operator to be in the network and present good quality levels. Each operator will need more or less 140 megahertz. Okay? That's more or less the same level as we have with the big American operators today.
What do you think is going to push them to migrate 2G to 3G?
First are the smartphones.
Okay.
We have a big adoption for smartphones in the country. They are fancy. All people want to have one iPhone or the Nokia N9 or Samsungs, etc. But the point is also the need for the broadband connections. One big push from 3G here is not the smartphone only, but the dongles attached to the computer,
tablets,
etc.
Notebooks and everything.
And they don't know what comes with connected TVs and other stuff that are coming to
M2M machine.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you a lot for sharing with us some insights from mobile broadband study in Brazil.
Thank you very much for your time, and it was a pleasure to be here.
Okay. I'm Roberta Prescott, live from Futurecom 2011.